up on this ice cold Q from the rain yesterday. Poured, dumped. So let's see how long it takes to get up to temp. There's this one. Get good. Make sure you get plenty of rub. Okay, there we go. Get the fat side up. Let me get the good stuff. All right. Well, probably about 6 hours. Here we go. Got a little rock in here for spacer, a little air. All right. Okay, first check. Got to fill up the coals. Looking good. Okay. That's looking great. Turn it down a little bit. Oh. All right, everything looks great. Okay. It's a little hot. It was a little over 3. Now it's going back down to 250. Perfect. All right. Everything looks great. Let me check the fire. Oh yeah, we're all good. Maybe I'll put another little bit in. Oh no, actually we're pretty good. Okay, that's good. I don't want to get too hot. All right, we'll be out in a minute. So I'm gonna go out to the barbecue and put these little foil, I don't know, containers, I guess, that I made to put in. We're gonna lift up the pork butt, put it on this. That way it doesn't dry out and it will sit in juices versus being dried out. I hate dried out, sometimes burnt. So this works out really good. So I'm going to go out to the queue and go put those on there. And I will see you in a bit. I'll probably show you if I can. All right, I'm by myself. Here we go. Queue's a little hot. It's at 300 right now. I'll just make it like a little boat here. And I'll get the other one. Double wrap there. All right, I gotta go get more tools. Sweet. All right. That's good. It's just hot. A little lopsided here. Okay. Okay. Actually, I think I need a... Got a little messy there, but we're all good. 250, right where we need to be. Was a little hot too, so. Okay, carrots are awesome. Put a little brown sugar, a little olive oil and butter, onions. Beans are, oops, no, okay, sorry. Beans are perfect. They're done. I'm gonna turn them off and get ready for dinner.
Whatever. Oh, this one's perfect. Oh, you're gonna drop it. Oh.
Nice. And a little chickie. Okay, we're done. I'd say this was about 7.5 hours. Okay, it's 5:30. We're now getting ready to pull the pork. Oof. And it's clean bone. That's how you want it. Oh boy, it's hot. Okay, here's the final pulled pork for Sunday. It is 5:39. Put it on at 10:30. So I'm gonna make several dishes out of this. All right, we'll talk to you guys soon. Peace out.